Hello, greetings from Yosemite Park. You can see the valley, the beautiful mountains of Yosemite. This is the Glacier Point. This is a good place. We're in a good place and a good location kasi this is a special day for you, Kuya Rick.
I know, kaya kami napunta dito para lang batiin ka ng happy birthday kasi napaka-special mo.
And you deserve a special place for special greetings from us. It's your 40th birthday. Aba. 40 ka na.
Well, sabi naman nila, life begins at 40. So, that's a good thing. We wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Kuya. From me, Gabby. Ano nga, anak?
Nakakakalahati ka na. So, para masabing kalahati ito ng buhay mo, huwag ka nang manigarilyo, iwas sa mga bisyo para umabot ka ng 80. At pag hindi ka ng health mo, hindi ito kalahati. 2/3 na ito ng buhay mo. Pero mahal-mahal ka namin.
Tandaan mo.
Yes, very soon we will be visiting you or you will be visiting us here in US. So kakanta kami ng happy birthday for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Palakpakan, Gabi, palakpakan. Clap your hands, clap, 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 clap.
Palakpakan.
Clap, 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 clap. We love you.
We love you, Kuya Rick. Stay healthy. Alam mo naman, kailangan ka pa ng mga anak mo, tsaka ni Ate Marivic, kailangan ka rin namin. So, stay healthy and we wish you all the best. We know that you're happy and fulfilled in your life right now. So, all we can wish for you is good health. Because we know that you have the family that you want. You want the life that you want. We're here always for you. We always love you. Mag-ingat ka lagi, and like what Robert said, always take care of yourself. Halfway na to ng buhay mo, so kung pwede lang, stop smoking and lessen yung drinking. We'll always be here for you and your family always. Love you.
Love you.
Mwah, 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 mwah.